The 4 sounds of Y. Did you know that there are 26 letters in the alphabet? But did you know that there are more than 44 sounds that these letters make? For instance, A says a, and a. And Y, that makes 4 different sounds. So today we're going to look at those 4 sounds. The first sound is probably one you know well. Y says ya, like in yarn, yogurt, yo-yo, and yellow. Look at these 4 words. Where is the Y in all of these words? It's at the beginning of the word. So a lot of times when we hear ya, it's going to be at the beginning of the word or syllable. Take a look at these longer words. Canyon, see how it's at the beginning of the second syllable? Or beyond. So we still hear that ya, but it's at the beginning of a syllable. Now another sound that Y says is E, like in happy, jelly, candy, and puppy. Take a look at these 4 words. Where's the Y in these 4 words? It's at the end. So if you see a Y at the end of a word, it's acting a lot of times as a vowel, and it says E. A third sound that Y says is I, like in cry, spy, fly, and sky. And taking a look at these words, you can see the Y is always at the end as well. Here, Y is acting as a vowel because every syllable needs a vowel. And so each of these words are 1 syllable long, and the Y is the vowel, and it's saying I. Now, did you know that Y can also say another I sound? It can say the short I sound, I, like in gym, and also in symbol, myth, and crystal. Now take a look at these words, and you can see that they are mostly in the middle. Gym, it's right in the middle of a syllable, and myth, right in the middle of a syllable. And then sim, it's in the middle of the first syllable. And then crystal, it's in the middle of that first syllable, Chris. So Y can say ya, E, I, and I. So when Y is at the beginning of a word, it's a consonant. Ya is a consonant sound, but when it's in the middle or end of a word, then it's acting as a vowel, and it will say E, I, or I. Let's go through some words and see if you can figure out what sound the Y is saying. Take a look at this word. What's the Y saying here? We know it's the orange or yellow sound, the E or the I, because it's at the end of the word. And here, the Y is saying E, family. What is the Y saying here? Here it's also at the end of the word, and this time it's saying I, dry. What sound is Y saying here? You can see the Y is at the beginning of the word, so it's saying that ya sound. And here is the word yawn. Here's a trickier word. Can you figure out what the Y is saying here? Here the Y is in the middle of a syllable, so it's saying the I sound, P-I. It's kind of hard to hear that I, but it's there. Pyramid. Pyramid. That Y is saying an I sound. How about this word? What sound is the Y saying? It's at the beginning, so it's saying the ya sound, yoke. And here, what sound is Y saying? It's at the end, and it's saying the E sound, baby. Here is a trickier word with 2 Y's. Can you figure out what the word is and what each Y is saying? So that first Y is in the middle of a syllable, so it's that short I, is, and then we have tur, and it can either be E or I, but it's E here. Mystery. Mystery. And finally, what is this Y saying? It is saying I, as in fry. So remember, Y has 4 sounds. Yeah? E, I, and I. Thanks for watching.